No, he's not happy with that now.
I wrapped it.
Yeah, I see that. I like that.
Hiding a multitude of sins, I'm sure. But, yeah.
Hooligan! Hooligan! Come on!
Welcome back to another video. Just rolling down the hill, doing a warm up. Basically, I'm just popping out to put a couple of bits on my bike. I've got some new grips, some engine casing, a chain and sprocket, which I really need. So, I'm definitely putting the chain and sprocket on, and when I've got time, I'm going to put on what I can. Yeah, I can hear the chain snatching. What's the best way? I guess left. Yeah, normally, I mean, see that lightning. It's the nicest day today, and out of nowhere, thunderstorms. But, I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to get on, because obviously my mate's help, so see how much time he has. But yeah, I did want to go to the jet wash and get it cleaned. But I'm looking after a dog. So where I'm dog sitting, I just want to be in and out as quick as I can. Well, no, it's not going to be in and out, but I just want to be as quick as I can so that no, don't mash up my drum. God, it's hot. I'm wearing like no protection like an idiot, but I'm not going far. God, it's hot even in this. Just joggers and a hoodie. This is like peak rush hour, I guess. Slightly jarring. To be honest with you, I should have gone up and I should have gone up the other way. Would have been quicker. Respect to this, Don. Cheers, mate. I don't really need to be filtering at this speed. When we get bunched up though, you best believe I'll be filtering. I did just tickle his arm then. I'm glad I didn't. He looked quite mean. Ooh. Cannot wait to get the new chain and sprocket on this. I've not been riding it much because it's so needed. So let's go this way. Different area code. Sod it. Panic. You miss out. You can wait. Crikey, it's the Rosas. Still not used to using that auto blipper. It just seems wrong kicking it down a gear without having the clutch in. That's the plan today. A couple of upgrades and maintenance. Ain't really just upgrades. I really need the chain and sprocket. We've got gold chain, orange sprocket. Kept it with the original gearing because I don't really feel like I need anything else for how I ride. If I want more top end, I'll get a different bike. And it says plenty down the bottom and in the mid. Don't know what's been going on with it lately, but I can't seem to keep the front wheel down. I keep trying to like launch it. I'm trying to get a bit better at launching off the line because I want to go Santa Pod and do a run with your brung just to see what it's like for the experience. And yeah, when I'm launching it, it's lifting off the floor, like only by like a few inches, maybe 4 inches, but yeah, it just keeps happening. Scudded. Scudded. Oh, he's not happy with that now. Yeah. Skirt. Come on, man. I'll put my foot down. Hey, look at me, bruv. Look in front of the road, yeah? That big ass gap. Oh, I won't moan. Top man. Maybe I'm driving a little bit like an arsehole. These fucking dodgy hard nuts. Whoa, there were some hard nuts, weren't they? Fucking hell. I want to see them in an alleyway. No. I got camera anxiety. It's been a while since we broke one. Loads of life left in that chain in there. This is good. I made you about that bad crash the other day on the old...
the BSB?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two dead, wasn't it? I think 11 involved, 2 dead.
Yeah. But yeah, there's a programme between 2 hedges.
Yeah, the TT thing.
Yeah, I love all that.
Yeah, it's good, man.
Brilliant. What'd you do?
We'll get back there one day.
Yeah, one day.
I see a video the other day from YouTube of they call it Isle of Monkeys, and there's about 50 monkey bikes. I'll send you the link 'cause it's a bit of YouTube.
Is it in the Isle of Man?
Isle of Man, yeah.
Yeah, I think I've seen it.
There's loads of them.
People would argue, oh well, this bike should be put back to original and this, that, and the other. I'm like, no, I'm going to build it how I fucking.
Yeah,
do you know what I mean? It's fucking 70.
Like we said earlier, you're putting your stamp on it, ain't you?
Like that T140, you could argue like these are two. I'm not going to say like right special bikes, but they are rarer models.
Well, this one you said was the number
1099 out of 1100.
Well, there you go.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
it's pretty fucking rare.
Yeah. And this, so there's 1100 of them. There's only 600 or so of these. But yeah, so this is a BM33, which is a B series engine with an M series frame. And what it is, the M series was the prelude to the B series, and when the B series come out, you had the B33, they still had, I don't know exact numbers, but like 600 of the frame still left over. So instead of just junking them, they made the BM33, which is the M series frame with the B engine. To be honest, I couldn't tell you what the differences are.
Yeah, no, fair
but
enough.
it was in the day, like, well, what it is makes it hard to find things that combine the two. So the one thing he mentioned was the exhaust. Trying to find an exhaust for it is next to impossible because you've got the M series frame bolted into on the B series engine. Again, I've wrapped it.
Yeah, I see that. I like that.
Hiding a multitude of sins, I'm sure. But yeah. Oh, that's just reminded me. Guess who I've got coming on Thursday? The final inspection for the Rusty Beast.
Have you actually?
Yeah. Once I get them to sign it off, I literally wait for the number plate to come.
Is it still just there?
It's just there.
Can I show the camera what you're on about? This is ridiculous. We've got a bet. What is it? Oh, you're 50 quid if you get it.
50 quid if it's not even going to run. It's going to run and be road legal.
He got me round here once to give him a lift getting this up here. And I said, like, I don't know what I said, but I said, there's no way you're going to get that running. And he took it personal. And yeah, he reckons he's one inspection away from getting that old girl on the road. To be fair, she looks quite glorious up there, doesn't she?
Oh, mate, she's a beast. But yeah, he's coming Thursday, some Welsh geese for the DVLA. And I don't know what he's going to look at.
Sure, he's going to laugh. Are you going to leave it up there as well?
No, I'm going to put it onto the car.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Yeah. But look, hey, he's going to work. I can't pop a jink up, man.
Have you got MOT or is it like exempt for being so old?
No, he's exempt, so old, isn't he?
That's hilarious.
So
man.
this
I
is
didn't know the laws when I made this bet.
Yeah, 40 years, once a bike hits 40 years old, or any vehicle, well, I think, well, not any, but any car or bike classic is exempt from MOT or tax. 40
Really?
years old. So this one is 70 years old this year. That will be 72 years old this year.
Fucking hell.
That is 38.
I'd say this one's got to be the younger one, isn't it?
A couple of years and that'll be exempt. The monkey bikes, they are 1970, that one. I'm not sure the year of this one yet, but that's 1970, so what's that?
This one
55 years old.
This one needs a little name, this little beast.
Oh, I feel
weapon.
the name will come, but yeah.
You can't force these things. Jezebel, you.
Some will say this is a Chinese copy. I say, mind your business.
Right, unfortunately, I couldn't get the new sprocket on. There was a problem with the sprocket. It wasn't the right one. So she's got the same front sprocket, same rear sprocket, but got a new gold chain on her, and I got my new engine guards. Yeah, man, look where you're going, innit? But yeah, happy days. So nice having a new... Where the hell am I? I have no idea where I am. Pretty lucky day of the weather, really. It's pissed out when we were doing that. Where the fuck am I? Lived in this town my whole life and I ain't got a Scooby where I am. Back here. Oh, another wet floor. Must be the arse I've ridden in the rain. You're a Wally. Ain't got time for all that. You're a good go, ain't ya? You didn't smash up the gaff, did ya? Beautiful dog. Beautiful.